Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today we are going to announce the winner for my Darn Good Yarn box number 8. So let's go ahead and get started. Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I really appreciate you. Today I wanted to go ahead and drop in the announcement for the winner of the Darn Good Yarn box number 7. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get right to it. I don't want this to be a very long video. I had several videos come out over the weekend and I have several more coming up, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. So let's go ahead, and I am going to insert, scooch over here, I'm going to insert a screen recording of my phone while I'm doing this so you can see who wins. And I am looking down at my phone. Let me start recording. Okay, and I have already went and got the link for the video and plugged it into the comment picker. And then I am going to filter duplicate users, not include replies. Okay, that's all I needed. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get my YouTube comments, and it's thinking about that. And so there was 189 unique comments that it's going to pick from. You guys, so amazing. Yay. All right, let me go ahead and hit that start button and let it scroll up while it's picking. And Karen Robinson, you are the winner of the Darn Good Yarn box number 8. That's that orangey, reddish, crazy color box, right? So her comment says, the box looks Chinese red, which I never even thought of that. I like that. Chinese red, and the yarn looks burnt orange to me. I like those colors. And then she put an orange heart in there. So that's really cool. So Karen, go ahead and reach out to me at hookedtotheleft@gmail.com. Again, that's hookedtotheleft@gmail.com. And of course, you should probably see it somewhere down here as I add it to the video in the editing process. So email me there with how to get this box to you, and I will forward it on to you. And I hope that you thoroughly enjoy it. Now, for the rest of you, did you know I have another contest going on? You know why? Because I hit 1K. So go and enter. And Karen, you can enter too. But you can enter 3 different ways. You can enter on IG, Facebook group, and here. So I'm going to link the video up above so it tells you a little bit more about it. I also have a link down below, or actually it'll be in the first comment. I'll pin the comment rather than in the description. I'll have that video linked. But if you guys haven't gone to check out that particular giveaway, then go ahead. And then I have a video being posted on Monday, which is going to have a little itty bitty giveaway, but that's going to be on Monday. So keep an eye out for the video that gets released on Monday. But until then, hey, you guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. I truly, truly thank you. And I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye-bye.